Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Foodie Jam for fresh, healthy and spicy chats. Today, Foodie Jamacher right here at the so central and so convenient Fidalgo. Foodie Jamacher eyes celebrity guest कोण जाणून घेवपा खातीर. Let's go. Hello Vishnu.
Hello Pankaj.
All
Good,
well?
good.
Boss. So आयज फूडी जमाचेर celebrity guest is Vishnu Shirodkar. आता विष्णू शिरोडकर आमी जेन्ना म्हणटा तेन्ना ही डजंट रिक्वायर अ इंट्रोडक्शन पण इंट्रोड्यूस जेन्ना करता वेर एवर देर इज अ स्टेज प्रोग्राम मे इट बी इन स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस युनिवर्सिटीज मे इट बी कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स मे इट बी भावगीत भक्ती संगीत बॉलिवूड यू नेम इट एंड विष्णू इज देर ऑन द सिंथसायझर सो प्रत्येक फावटी विष्णू जेन्ना हांव पळयता तेन्ना ही इज लायक ऑन द कीबोर्ड्स उबोच आसता आनी जेन्ना आमी जिमान वता तेन्ना एक स्पेशल डायट बियट आमचो आसता पण विष्णू जेन्ना ऑन द कीबोर्ड्स तेजी बोटां बिटां सदांच इट इज ऑलरेडी प्लेईंग प्लस उबो रावपाक डज विष्णू हॅव अ स्पेशल डायट विष्णू जेन्ना तूं आतां उबो आसता ऑफकोर्स 2-2 वरां अडेज वरां केन्नाय तुका बसपाक मेळटा ऑन द सिंथसायझर बट ती बोटां चलोवप प्लस उबो रावप म्हणजे डू यू हॅव समथींग वीच इज स्पेशल इन टर्म्स ऑफ युअर डायट
Diet special अशें कांय ना म्हजें but I try to avoid certain things like I avoid ice cream but it's not that I totally it's not that I avoid it I've stopped it forever but I have it but then see usually we keep on having programs and after the programs there's a lavish dinner so I try to avoid heavy items like mutton but I have chicken but then little quantity because even my friends keep on asking me how can you survive on such a little diet so I said see I'm sufficient meaning I don't need
हेवी स्टफ
heavy stuff
पण ऑफकोर्स जेन्ना तूं प्रोग्रामांक बी वता तेन्ना पयलीं खावप बरें काय तूं मागीर खावप बरें अशें प्रिफर करता
पयलीं खावप see I don't follow any particular timetable मनान आयलें खालें मातशी भूकशी दिसली खालें बट आय डोंट पर्पजली गो आवट एंड तशें म्हाका संवय ना की मुद्दम वचून खंय असो खावपाक जाय अशें गरजेचे वेळार सामकें भूक लागली जाल्यार एक फावट कामान इतलो बिजी उरता की आय इवन फॉरगेट दॅट आय हॅव टू ईट
सो पॅशन ऑफकोर्स विथ द म्युझीक पण विष्णूचो दीस कसो सुरू जाता इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर यू अ हेवी ब्रेकफास्ट इटर काय लंच हेवी
आय ऑलवेज फॉलो दॅट a famous saying that you should have breakfast like a king yes so I always have very heavy breakfast at home and my wife takes care utmost care to keep me happy with her breakfast आणि सनाच कितें तरी वेगळें एक दीस केन्ना डोसा चपाती is like a regular but then bread butter dosa and then supported by बाकीचे items no that is always there पण आणि अशें कितें तरी कितें म्हणटा लायक चमचमीत yeah but I always see that when I leave my house I keep my stomach full तर म्हाका दनपारां I don't have to be worried about my lunch
ओके सो ऑन द लंच नोट फूडी जॅमाचेर आमी बुकेज बी दिना आमी डायरेक्ट वेलकम ड्रिंक दिता सो लुक्स व्हेरी कलरफूल
yes
सो तूं आत्तां आयला सो लेट्स सिप ऑन द वेलकम ड्रिंक
sure
एंड ऑफ कोर्स cheers
Cheers,
to the
cheers.
brand new episode of Foodie Jam. How's it?
fantastic
Okay. So Vishnuचे food preference कितें? Does Vishnu prefer more of veg food काय non-veg food?
non-veg but not more stressful about the only non-veg I even like veg so it's not that I'm strictly non-veg but I prefer more of traditional traditional recipes like some of the in non-veg I would prefer chicken shakoti I also prefer other items, but then ultimately I get more satisfied with this.
So on this note of chicken shakuti, जाणून घेऊया how chicken shakuti is prepared the Goan style and how Vishnu Shirodkar likes it in the kitchen of Fidalgo. So Vishnu, are we ready? Yes. All right then, chalo. A brand new episode of Foodie Jam right here at Fidalgo. So central, so convenient, and we are at the Great Hall. आमच्या बरोबर celebrity guest, of course, Vishnu Shirodkar. All the way from Simla, we have Chef Arun Kumar, and we have all the way from Ponda, आमचा भाईकार Suresh. Hi Suresh, how are you doing? So, आयज Vishnu म्हणपाक लागलो की मातशे गोंयाचे प्रेपरेशन जाय, म्हणजे चिकन शाकोती टाइप्स. So, Simla आणि गोंयकार मिळून आम्ही आता चिकन शाकोती करता. You see something is already brewing. क्या-क्या ingredients लगते हैं चिकन शाकोती के लिए?
I'll welcome everyone on behalf of the Fidalgo Hotel.
Thank you.
And starting off with the preparation, we have done a little of twist with the European cuisine and Goan cuisine. So we have a mix of that. As I have come to know that the sir likes the chicken shakuti preparation very much. But we have given a twist to that. We have a white meat, that's a chicken breast.
Okay.
We have flattened it.
Okay. And what is
This is a mixture of squids. We have sauteed the squids in Goan style with the cashew nuts. So that is going to be
इसमें क्या डालता है? In the sense, is it squid, cashew nuts or?
Squids, cashew nuts and dry masalas.
Okay.
Dry masalas, the mix of garam masala that is purely Goan.
Okay.
That has Goan peppercorns, peri-peri chilies and turmeric.
Okay.
Salt and pepper.
So Chef Arun or Chef Suresh? Vishnu and me only know to eat. बाकी का you teach us.
So with the help of silver foil, he is going to wrap up the chicken in a European style, so that the squids would be cooked inside the chicken supreme.
So this is the entire one breast piece.
Entire one breast piece, which is cut halfway and made into a shape of heart and then beaten up.
Okay.
These are the seasonings. We have ginger garlic paste.
Okay. So that goes first.
Black pepper. Yes.
So this is not marinated. This is going to be marinated
This
now.
is the marination process of the chicken. And the salt, of course.
So this is like entire. You need to put it all over it.
Yes. Yes.
So this is pepper.
This is black pepper.
Black pepper.
Finally, no intense masalas in there, because already we have a bouquet of masalas here, which is going to.
But when you're saying fusion, it's like जब European cuisine होता है तो थोड़ा bland होता है. But here you're talking about Goan masalas also. So
with the
fusion
techniques
will be
which are used in the European cuisine, basically. So to improvise the Goan cuisine, I mean to say in that case. And now the time to stuff the squids.
Okay. So नुस्तें जालें आणि चिकनूय जालें. Fantastic.
So the roule is ready, and we have a poaching liquid here.
So poaching liquid. So once it is wrapped into the aluminium foil, it has to go to the liquid. It's called a poaching liquid. Or is poaching liquid में what do you actually put?
We have put in the mace. We have put in little of cloves. We have put in the star anise and green chilies and coriander, according to the Goan cuisine. What is exactly used in here? So it goes in the poaching liquid. So it will take about 15 minutes to get cooked into this, and it will get the flavor of these ingredients which is already there in the water.
Just half deep like this, or?
No, the poaching needs to be done at 92 degrees, sir.
Okay.
So we have another cooking intervention.
Okay.
There it needs. Why not to have sir at the place and to have this masala? Yeah?
Correct. So please come this side, Vishnu.
First ingredient is oil.
Vishnu, this is a new avenue.
We have only 15 minutes to get the processed yield for the day.
Okay.
Yeah. or maybe a 1 spoon more.
आणि याच्या उपरांत what is next?
We have onion. This is
Okay.
the next ingredient.
So this is finely chopped onion.
Finely chopped onion.
Okay, घाल Vishnu
Please.
घाल. Okay.
2 chilies. Yeah, 2 spoons.
Vishnu फक्त कीबोर्डाचेर पळयला. Now on Foodie Jam on Prudent, right here at Fidalgo.
Yes.
Watch Vishnu with his fingers and hands on the different ingredients what he's going to cook for the chicken chapati.
We have star anise. We have mace, 1 number. Two number of cloves, please. We have garlic pods. Now we have the whole coriander. 3. Yes, sir. These are the most, most sensitive masalas. Jeera
like jeera.
and saunf. This is saunf.
Anytime you go to Vishnu's house now and there
the
is chicken
cinnamon stick
chapati,
at the end.
जाल्यार the wife will proudly say, कोणे केला? Vishnun केला. हे कितले? This is
Yes,
Coconut.
coriander and the coconut would be the biggest role players.
घाल घाल.
Yes,
कितले? How much is this?
4 spoons.
4 spoons.
So the roasting is the next part for this.
But what is your favorite kind of म्हणजे comfort food? म्हणजे तू केन्नाय खावपाक शकता types. Fish curry rice or what is it?
केन्नाय खावपाक शकता अशें म्हाका डोसा.
Dosa. Okay. हे कितले? 1 pinch? Okay. It's already there. Add us.
The more of the intensity is about the red chili, sir.
Okay. Oh, because of the turmeric. The aroma is absolutely great, and this is the beauty of the Indian masalas.
To be
So
given.
after you have done these,
Yes, these masalas,
masalas.
it need to be cooled down.
Okay.
It need to be cooled down later on. While it goes to the stone grinder, at that point you add the water to it, not before that.
not before that.
And the roasting is very beautiful, done by
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Okay. So
very
this
beautiful.
is done.
This is the way it
This
should
is
be done actually.
absolutely looking.
You'll be very good at cooking also, sir.
Yeah, first time. Correct. Absolutely. So chefan already certificate dili Vishnu.
Yes, we are ready to take you to our kitchen, sir.
केन्नाय फिदाल्गोन शो आसत जाल्यार chef you can take him.
Yes, yes.
Ever ready for fusion food. But absolutely if at Fidalgo. But Vishnu जेन्ना first time also cook करता right here on Foodie Jam on Prudent, तेन्ना it is turned out to become something which is absolutely professional. So आता भयच ना for Vishnu.
I keep on stirring on my keyboard.
Oh, आता this is on the frying pan.
This is the right time to have it off the stove.
All right, so Vishnu.
Yeah, and it is flavoring very intense flavor.
Absolutely.
So
You can actually feel the aroma.
Yes.
मेरा एक सवाल है आपसे.
बताइए.
अभी this is like first time for me. ऐसा हो रहा है कि कब जाके मैं टेबल पे बैठ के खाना खाऊं. तो आपको ऐसा नहीं होता क्या जब because you always cook and then at the time of while preparing you don't feel.
We are already content with all the flavors, all the hints, all the ingredients, everything. But yes, when we come to work, we need to have the first meal that we take always when we come to the ship. We always have the first meal. That
Okay.
could be grab of anything.
Anything.
And we start our day.
Okay.
And then the day is very hard.
So after this is done, this is already boiling.
This is just going to finish. So we'll get the masala to the stove and season it.
Okay.
Yeah. We have another pan.
So this is another pan. And the masala आता विष्णून एक करून घातलेलो भितर is what it is right there in form of a paste.
So we have a masala which is already ground. Okay. The same dry ingredients going to turn into this texture now. Yeah. While we add the water, so we'll start the preparation.
There's a lot of oil, there's a lot of water also which moves out.
Which goes for the infusion, and
Correct.
later on we get the different product.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Now the stirring to go on.
Vishnu is all happy and going with the cooking. याच्या उपरांत हो मातसो ब्रावन जावपा जाय.
हय हो ब्रावन जावपाक.
Okay. Third ingredient is the masala. Because भितर सगळें आसा.
ग्रीन चिली पावडर जाता.
Okay. 4 spoons of masala. The sizzling has already begun. Looks so delicious already.
You can take that flavorful liquid from there itself. Yes. This is a flavorful liquid.
Okay, so you can use this water also inside.
Yes. It can be used.
Okay. So this is like swadanusar, a pinch of salt.
Swadanusar. Always swadanusar.
So this is enough, or thoda aur? That's it. Okay.
Masala is getting to the required texture. It'll take 2 more minutes.
So this needs to be little watery, or this is the consistency?
No, we are going to do it a little reduced contrast with the dish actually. Because the way we are doing it, it cannot be a runny dish actually.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are doing it with a little of dry textures. So we have got the texture, right texture to present the chicken, and our chicken is also already cooked. Yeah. So before we go for the plating, we have 2 more ingredients. We have carbohydrates in terms of potatoes with us. We have mushrooms in terms of vitamins and the vegetarian proteins.
So this has to go
On the stove. So this is done. Now we need to prepare the other components of
So
the
this
dish.
will be the consistency of the
Dish.
gravy.
Yes.
Okay.
What
Fantastic.
we are going to serve.
Great. So this is done. The masala is
This
done.
is done.
Of course.
This is
But
done.
what is your next step?
It has been blanched. It's been blanched and it is already cooked. We need to just stir it up in the butter
Okay.
to get it golden color.
So let's go.
Yeah.
How much butter do we need? And finally, the butter and now the potatoes. So there's 2 halves, or you
get
want to
the
make it 4?
Better color and better cooking and better flavors.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
So right in the butter.
Right in the butter.
Looks so yum.
Stir it up. So the potatoes are done. It has got the color.
Okay.
It has got the.
So it has to
right
be a little brownish.
The real Indian way. The people like to have those, the very, very, very roasted flavors of every ingredient. Likewise, the masala we had. Yeah.
So this is going to be one amazing dish. We're looking at chicken shakuti. We're already looking at mushrooms. We're looking at potatoes sorted in butter and jeera. And this is infused already. You got
The
to,
next
you got to look
component
out.
is of mushrooms here.
Okay.
So the garlic goes best with the mushrooms.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll add little of garlic also.
So this also can be cooked in butter?
We have added the oil. Sir.
Oil. So butter
Because
be
butter has
option.
a tendency of getting burnt very early.
Okay,
So
okay.
we have not added. And already we have added the butter in the prior dish.
Okay.
So we'll not add the butter now.
So cloves of
Garlic,
Garlic.
and mushroom
and mushroom. And this has to be sauteed.
stirred up. And here you go, sir.
Vishnu is all in the flow. That's what is the magic of Foodie Jam.
No, the texture itself is stating it is
Okay,
done.
just texture.
For me.
Okay,
And for you, you can check it out. Yeah? You
Yeah,
can
only
check
by
it out.
Checking के लिए थोड़ा खाना भी जरूरी है वो time.
The right time has come, sir.
Okay, let's pull it off the stove.
Right.
Okay, so off the stove the
Just
mushrooms
heat
go.
it up the sauce again
Okay.
for the plating.
So this doesn't require anything else now.
No. it
The
doesn't.
sauce.
It doesn't.
Okay.
फक्त हीट गरम करपाचें.
So this is now trying to heat up again. So this is the consistency, and after this, what we're going to put are the potatoes or the mushrooms?
Yes. So we'll have a.
All right then. So let's see how the plating looks like. The time has come, and this is how the plating is done. So first goes the masala, the sauce.
So this is the base of the dish.
Okay. All right.
Goes here.
From the water, from the pan, directly to the chopping board.
This is a very safe way of having any kind of meat.
Okay.
Yeah. For the better plating, we're going to.
Well, next time you come to Fidalgo, you need to try this. What is it called? What is it called?
This is a chicken roulette, sir, with the
Chicken
seafood.
roulette with seafood.
So
And here we go.
there is always a ratio of all the ingredients, whatever you put here, in such platings. While it comes to the hotels and some technical dishes or maybe expensive food you call. Here we are.
Yeah,
The
so
dish
your
is
flavor-
completely full.
This flavor
And-
is forcing me to attack it, but then
We will.
We will attack it. And these are some natural garnishes. We as a Fidalgo always believe in having natural flavors and the flavors of the region, wherever it comes from. So we always have an intervention of natural ingredients. Of course, we have done other interventions with the garnishes, but we always put some.
And the plate is
So
is
here's the
superb.
garnish. It goes here. So it is ready to be presented.
Served.
Yes, sir.
Amazing looking chicken roulette with mushrooms, with potatoes, with the base of gravy of the Goan shakuti. Wonderfully, wonderfully plated. And sometimes when dishes are wonderfully plated, you think twice whether to eat it or no. But Vishnu is already drooling. So let's go in for the tasting. And thank you so much, Chef Arun. Thank you so much, Chef Suresh, for the wonderful, wonderful time
Welcome
and
you
teaching
again,
us,
sir.
teaching us
Thank you so
something
much for
very, very
coming.
nice
Thank you.
right here at Fidalgo. So it's time to go and taste and also meet the GM of Fidalgo in some time. Till then, stay tuned. Foodie Jam only on Prudent. Foodie Jam on Prudent right here at Fidalgo. Very central, very convenient. How Pankaj, आपच्या बरोबर असा celebrity guest Vishnu Shirodkar, and we have the general manager of Fidalgo, Mr. Mohammed Azhar. Hi sir, how are you doing today?
Good, I'm good. How about you?
Absolutely fine, and it's such a pleasure to be here at Fidalgo. And definitely the tagline also is amazing, so central and so convenient. And what we feel, I always feel, ki when you go around this place of 18 June Road, you don't have to advertise also, because you have everything in glass. People
Yeah,
see
thank
inside
you.
and walk.
Thanks for the compliment. But definitely today's digital world, marketing is always a bigger role to play. And though we are centrally located and all, but and one of the oldest hotel, if you compare to Mandvi and all, we are in the same right from 40 years. So yes, we are well aware and well known hotel, but still marketing plays a big role to sell. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So that concept is always there in all the industries. And we also, because we have to showcase our product and all, what we have, what we serve and cater. So always marketing plays a major role.
Or sir, would like to ask you is, when we're talking about Fidalgo, there are different options where you can eat at Fidalgo. May it be a breakfast, to a lunch, to a dinner, to a snack, to tea, coffee, whatever. If somebody doesn't know of what to come and eat at Fidalgo, what would you like to tell them?
See sir, I will tell you, as far as hotel is concerned and the catering to the guest is concerned, I can say out of 24 hours, I served main course meal 22 hours.
Wow.
Main course, I use the word main course. Like I serve till 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock morning biryanis for the person, for the tourists who come late night flight or who hang around the things. That outlet is called Auntie Maria. I will give you the brief of all the outlets. We are having 6 F&B outlets, plus 6 banquet and conferencing. We, as far as banquet is concerned, we take the parties from 10 people. The minimum boardroom size is just for 10 people. Up to 400 people. The largest hall, which is the Great Hall, yes, 400 people. That is the banquet part. In between, we have 100 people halls also, conferencing and all.
We were talking about main courses and the 6
Yes,
different
that
outlets.
is very important because we give many of the hotels no main course they serve with the time frame.
Correct.
12 se 3, then 7 to 11, but we serve 22 hours main course, I can say.
So it is more of Atithi Devo Bhava.
Yes. Yes, it's
All right,
God.
on that note, it's like colorful
Please.
mocktails are in front of us. So let's say cheers to this wonderful association with Fidalgo and Foodie Jam.
Yes, sir.
Cheers. We've prepared a lovely meal and majority of the part Vishnu has prepared. So let's dig into this chicken roulade with buttered mushrooms and potatoes. So let's dig in. So, something very interesting that needs to be tasted. So 6 different options of food outlets, 22 hours that we are going to get food, and of course made with the wee hours of morning. It is so on that note, here we are at Fidalgo. So central, so convenient. 6 different options for you to eat. There are banquets for you to, of course, organize your corporates. Plus, you can enjoy with your family. May it be visa hours in the morning. May it be anytime you like your snack. May it be a breakfast, lunch, dinner, high tea, or something that you would like to munch in the nights. Fidalgo is the place to be. Till we actually look out for another place to host the next episode of Foodie Jam with another celebrity guest. You keep it locked to Foodie Jam only on Prudent Media with me, Pankaj. Till we enjoy your food, take care and see you next time.